Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high-level geometry is nothing but dry formulas, rigid textbook problems, and exhausting calculations that take all the fun out of learning, get ready to change your mind completely. In this video, we tackle a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 5-6 brain teaser called the Triple Rectangle Puzzle, using pure logical thinking, creativity, and an intuitive proportional shortcut instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz.
3 rectangles of the same height are positioned as shown. The numbers within the rectangles indicate their areas in square centimeters. If AB equals 7 centimeters, how long is CD? A, 9 centimeters. B, 9.5 centimeters. C, 10 centimeters. D, 10.5 centimeters. E, 11 centimeters. This is the brief on solving the triple rectangle puzzle. We're going to crack a visual geometry puzzle with 3 adjacent rectangles by using some simple proportional logic and basic mental math to find a missing length. First, let's set up the logic here. So the puzzle gives us 3 side-by-side rectangles with areas of 15, 20, and 35 square centimeters, and they all share the exact same height. You can kind of think of them like 3 columns of building blocks. Since their height is totally locked in, the width of each block is directly proportional to its area. Second, we're going to use a little mental math to find that shared height. We know the combined bottom width of the first 2 rectangles is 7. Now, if the combined area of those first 2 is 35, because, 15 plus 20 is 35, and the base is 7, what must the height be? Well, it's just a simple division. 35 divided by 7 means our shared height is exactly 5. Finally, let's calculate that target length. Now that we know the height is for sure 5, we naturally apply it to the final part of the puzzle, finding the top width across the second and third rectangles. Their combined area is 55. Yeah, that's 20 plus 35. So we just divide that total area of 55 by our locked-in height of 5, giving us a final missing length of 11 centimeters. By recognizing the shared height, we easily turn a tricky geometric diagram into a quick, super satisfying mental division. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.